Dementia is a progressive decline in memory and cognition. Dementia is caused by brain diseases or a series of cerebrovascular lesions. There are many diseases that can lead to dementia, and age-related dementia is the most common. The attention, memory, verbal, mobility, executive, and social ability of dementia patient will be deteriorated and affects their quality of life. They may have personality or behavior changes, struggles with day or night confusion, delusions, or hallucinations. METADICHOL improves brain function and prevents dementia. METADICHOL can achieve antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects through the mechanism of increasing the level of vitamin C endogenously. It reduces brain nerves from damages, prevent the deterioration of brain cells and cerebrovascular function. Reduces blood lipids, blood pressure and prevent thrombosis from damaging brain function. METADICHOL promotes the synthesis of NMN, which help in anti-aging, enhances brain and nerve function, improves energy level, and effectively reduce diseases related to brain degeneration. METADICHOL can also increase serum ApoA1 protein and adiponectin levels, which effectively improves blood lipid and blood glucose metabolism, promotes blood flow to brain and avoid brain cells from hypoxia. In addition, METADICHOL can also reduce the elevation of D-dimer and lipoprotein A levels. Reduces cerebral thrombosis effectively, prevents cerebrovascular stenosis or insufficient blood supply to the brain, and reduce diseases such as cerebral infarction or stroke that will further damage brain function. Finally, as for the direction of usage for healthcare, take at least 10 sprays, at least 8 times daily, for the first bottle. Second bottle onwards, take at least 5 sprays, at least twice daily. In addition, people with underlying health problems can take at least 10 sprays, at least 8 times daily for the first bottle. Second bottle onwards, take at least 10 sprays, at least 5 times daily. That's it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.